Yo, welcome back to my channel for 100 LeetCode challenge. And today we have two sums, the most popular LeetCode question. And let's take a look what it is. So this question will input a list of integer, and in this integer, we only have exact one pair combined equal to target. So we have a list of integer and a target to find the index of the two numbers that sum up equal to 9, the target. So in another example in here, this example, first example, we have 2 and 7 add up equal to 9, target. So the index of 2 is 0, the index of 7 is 1. So the second example will have 2 and 4 sum up to 6. So we'll output an array of 1 and 2. And here the same thing. So we have exact one pair of solution, which is 0 and 1 equal to 6. So this is it. But today we're going to use a brute force solution to try out this question. So what is brute force solution is we're going to we'll pick one by one. In this solution, we have to pick two numbers. The first number we have to start from the beginning, and the second number is after the first number. For example, in here, we have to pick 2 first, and the second number we will pick any number after 2. So we'll pick 7, 11, and 15. So after 2 is picked, so we have to pick 7, and then 7 will pair up with the number behind 7, which is 7, 11, 7, 15. So you might ask why 7 and 2? Why have to find the solution from the number behind it? Because you already pair up with the 2. 7 and 2 is already paired up when 2 started, because they pair up with 2. After that is 7, so they already finished. So every time you find a number, just pair up any number after that. So if you find a solution, basically you just pick the first index and second index and output the solution. So now we start to make an array here. Output equal to So first we make a for loop to loop the first number equal to 0. Second, we have to find a second number, y is equal to I plus 1, starting from the index of I, anything after that. So we end it with the end of the array. So basically these two for loop, the first for loop is loop through every number, and then the second for loop is started from the number behind it all the way to the end of the array. So which is here. If you pick 7, I is equal to 1, and y will be 2, which is this one, starting from 2 all the way to the end of the array. So we have I and y right now for different index. So we check if numbers I plus numbers y equal to target. If that's the case, we will put those index 0 equal to I. Output index 1 will be y. So we'll fill this output array and we just return output as a result after we find it. And that's the solution. And let's see if it's working. Yeah, it looks perfect. I don't know why it's 100%. This solution is extremely slow. It's n squared. Usually, it's not an optimized solution. But I don't know. Maybe the test case is really small, so it lets you pass this one. So that's it for this solution. If you want to take a look at another better solution, which is using headset, please click a link below, and I will put the link right here. And thank you so much. I will see you in the next video.